Naging mainit ang talakayan ng ilang senador sa kabila na hindi pa naman nagsisimula ang formal na debate sa controversial na Maharlika Investment Fund Bill. Sumentro ang diskusyon sa pagbabago o paglipat ng referral ng komite na didinig sa isinusulong na Sovereign Wealth Fund. Sa argumento ni na Senate Minority Leader Aquilino Coco Pimentel III, sa halip na sa Committee on Banks, Financial Institutions and Currencies ay ipinalilipat ng senador sa Committee on Government, Corporation and Public Enterprises ang panukala na pinamumunuan naman nitong si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano. Paliwanag ni Pimentel, sa ilalim kasi ng panukala bubuo ng GOCC dahil sa itatatag na Maharlika Investment Corporation na siyang mangangasiwa sa Sovereign Wealth Fund at hindi naman sinasabi rito na bubuo ng bangko at hindi rin ito tungkol sa currency o sa salapi.
Funding, Mr. President. So, this is the position of this representation that those bills are better referred to the Committee on Government Corporations and Public Enterprises because they no doubt establish or seek to establish a government corporation.
Subalit agad na kinontra ito ni Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri at sinabing sa Kamara ay Committee on Banks and Financial Institutions ang duminig sa Maharlika Fund. Paliwanag pa ni Zubiri, ang itatatag dito ay isang financial institution ng pamahalaan at ito ay isang funding sources na gagamitin para sa funding mechanism kaya mas narapat ito sa komite ni Senator Mark Villar.
Create a charter. We're not creating a charter, I believe, in this Maharlika Wealth Fund. But I defer to the majority leader on...
If I can react to the inputs from the Senate President. Number one, I think we are all agreed we are not bound by the actions of the House, di ba? They can, actually, meron po akong Committee on Trade ako, ang counterpart ko na chairman ibang committee. So, I don't think that is... that should bind up.
Para matapos nga yung pagtatalo ay nagmosyon sa plenaryo na magbotohan na kung saan 2 boto ang pabor kay Pimentel, 11 man tutol at nag-abstain naman si Senador Pia Cayetano. Dahil dito ang Committee on Banks, Financial Institutions and Currencies pa rin ang didinig at bubusisi sa controversial na panukalang Maharlika Investment Fund.
2 affirmative votes, 1 abstention, and 19 negative votes to your motion, Your Honor.
How is that possible, Mr. President? 4, 6, 10, 11, 14, 18 people on the floor, Mr. President. How is that possible?
No, because the senator, the rest had gone inside. We had Senator Binay here, and they went after the voting. They went inside to partake of the preparation made by Senator Tol Tolentino, but they were inside. We have no plans to come up with a fake vote.
Ako, si Jojo Sikat, walang inaatas ang balita.